In today's video, I'll show you how to fix a site not loading in Webflow. If your site won't load, it usually means the browser can't properly connect to Webflow servers or your domain isn't pointing correctly. Here's what you should check. First, check if Webflow is down. Go to status.webflow.com and see if there are any reported outages. If there's a server issue on their end, you'll just need to wait until it's resolved. Second, test your webflow.io domain. Open your default webflow.io site link. If it loads, your site is working fine and the issue is likely with your custom domain or DNS settings. If you're using a custom domain, go to your project settings and review your DNS records. Make sure your A records and other required settings are correctly configured. Also confirm that your hosting plan is active, since custom domains require a paid plan. Lastly, rule out browser issues. Try opening the site on another device, browser, or internet connection. If it works elsewhere, clear your browser cache and cookies, then reload the site. If it still doesn't load for anyone, contact your domain provider for further support. And that's it! That's how you fix a site not loading in Webflow.